Hi there, this is Min. I saw this other video on YouTube from Ytower Cooking, and it's very simple, very quick way of making saliva chicken, or better put it, mouth-watering chicken, a Taiwanese dish. So I want to give it a try. I tried it already and it worked out fantastically, so I'm going to try it here again and show you the steps, what I've did, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, let's get started. All right, first we need to debone the chicken and season the chicken a little bit with some salt and rice wine. What I'm using is some chicken thigh. You can use it for, you can use basically anything, but you want to have skin, everything. Don't use anything without skin, and that's when you'll see eventually that's what makes it look really good. So I have 2 chicken thighs here. Okay, now what I want to do is just season it a little bit with salt, and that's it. Salt and rice wine. Don't have to do too much because the rice wine, cooking rice wine, usually have some salt in there as well. And we add some cooking rice wine. And we just let it sit for a little bit. Now, meanwhile, I'll get the rice ready, and let's get the rice cooking, and we'll use the rice cooker to get both the chicken and the rice cooked at the same time. Okay. All right, so we're back. I got some rice, I got my rice cooker, and let's get started. Rice cooker, and I want to take this out and put my rice cooker in. I want to add, let's add some water in there first. 1 cup of water as the rice cooker is all washed, and I want to put this on top of it. And then I want to get a plate, and I'll put my chicken on top of that too. So this is the chicken from earlier, marinated. Okay, and let's go. Okay, and we'll push start. That's it. Next step, we need to make the sauce. The sauce is probably the most important part, so let's get started with that. There's actually 7 ingredients in the sauce, so it's pretty simple. I'll put the recipes below, but I'll go through it really quickly. So I have sesame sauce, which I'm just using the Japanese sesame sauce. 1 teaspoon of cold water. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of hot pepper oil, and 1 teaspoon of white sesame. Okay, and we mix it all up. There you go. Beautiful sauce. Final step is to prep it. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so we're back. The chicken is done, so let's get started preparing it. Whoa! So the chicken is done, the rice is done underneath. So what I need to do is get the chicken out and cut it. what I need to do is cut it in strips. Place it in the place it on the tray. Do the same thing. All we need to do is cut it in strips again. And that is why you want the skin. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and prep it. So I'll be back with the sauce and we'll pour it over and then dress it with some peanuts and some ground peppercorn and also some cilantro. Okay. So now we want to dress the chicken. So it's pretty easy. Only thing you have to do is get the sauce and pour on top of that we made earlier. Next, we want to put some peppercorn that's grounded on top of the chicken. So next we need to put in some, on top of that, we want to put some ground peanut. And finally, we want to put some cilantro on top of it. And voila, we're done. Ta-da! Mouth-watering chicken, and it goes well with rice. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, and if you have any questions, put a post below and I'll try to answer them. Okay, thank you. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.